Challenge metal cutting limit, 2 micro precision hole grinding. For mold parts, if we need to process high precision hole, we tend to process with G grinding. Then, can we also achieve high precision hole grinding by using a CNC machining center equipped with grinder? Today, let's have a challenge. We have designed a set of hole pin matching test piece composed of 3 orifice plates and 21 locating pins with different diameters, which is required to achieve micro-level match and can always match while the pin position is changed at will. To achieve this, the accuracy of the holes must reach micro-level. Such a high precision hole requirement, we wonder whether the Jingdiao high-speed machining center can challenge it successfully or not. We choose Jingdiao 3-axis high-speed machining center to complete this job. Through CMM inspection, the precisions of 63 holes in 3 orifice plates completely meets the machining requirements, and the hole pin achieved micro-level match while replaced the pin position freely. Jingdiao high-speed machining center succeeded in the challenge. Let's have a look at how this achieved. Firstly, the suitable hardware and software configurations are the preconditions. We choose Jingdiao 3-axis high-speed machining center, which possesses the capacity of 0.1 micro fitting, 1 micro cutting, nanometer surface finishing, and equipped with Jingdiao high-speed, high-precision motorized spindle. Grinding filter device. Jingdiao in-machine measurement and intelligent modification system, IMIM, etc. With all this to ensure the grinding accuracy. In addition, to achieve the accurate grinding is the key point. Grinding holes by means of the grinder's accurate diameter value is the focus. How to get the grinder's actual diameter value? Our method is to inversely calculate it from the hole actual size. Firstly, we use the grinder's nominal size to program and adopt the special measuring instrument to gauge the initial value of the grinder's diameter. Jingdiao 50 control system automatically offsets the grinder's diameter according to the difference between a grinder's nominal value and initial value, and then kick off the first finished grinding. After first grinding, through the comparison measurement of Jingdiao IMIM technology, we obtain hole actual size. Then calculate its deviation against the hole's nominal size. The Jingdiao control system inversely calculates the grinder's actual size, offsets the grinder's D value, and then kick off the second finished grinding. Through these repeated iterative procedures, eventually we finish the final machining by means of the grinder actual size. Therefore, we get the high precision holes. During this process, in order to ensure the accuracy of hole size measurement, it is necessary to clean the hole. Jingdiao CAM software Surfmill has developed the function of work step design. By adding the clean instructions into the NC programs, the machine can automatically clean the holes without manual intervention, so as to ensure the continuity of production. Finally, let's check the grinding results of the Jingdiao machine. The hole pin clearance is less than 2 micro. Still match while the pin position change optionally. 2 micro accuracy hole grinding, expecting your participation.